All right, you're still on the straight channels of Wazobia TV. I did for Ijisha area now. I just did with my colleagues. When I say colleagues, I did with my Ikilibe there, my police friends there. All of them, they do their work, they do their court duty work, they do them well. All right, still on the straight channels. I want to ask one funny question today. And the question are like this: if you sleep, you there for dream, you there for sleep, oh, and you can't dey like this mountain on top of tree. For the dream, you can't dey on top of tree. On top of that tree, one snake there for up, the lion there for ground. They wait for you. You dey go up, snake they pursue you. They walk on the lion, they pursue you. What you go do for that place? If now you on top of the tree, what you go do? Still on the straight channels on Wazobia TV, make you not touch the dial.
Because if you call that lion, it will just chop you like this. You follow the snake, they pull out small because the lion has to eat off the flesh. Where the snake bite you, you can even go to hospital and kill yourself. Yeah. You have to follow the lion and follow the snake. Yeah. That is the main thing, my boy. All right,
still on the straight channels on Wazobia TV. Man, you know, not dream. The best is just wake up. Like I see. But and now you go know why some Nigerians, when they ask questions, they answer foolishly. They don't know. They watch now. Watch me now, you go see. Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
My
again, no, you don't know me again.
I know you now. You like saying this market you stay.
I know they stay for market.
Anytime I come here, I always see you.
I'm always coming here every day.
Make I ask you one question. May I ask you one question? If you sleep now for dream, you can't stay on top of a tree. As you there for that tree, snake there for up, lion there for ground. You come that lion there, you won't go up, snake there. What you go do?
But I go stay there now.
You go stay there.
Because if I come down, not dead. If I there up, now the same thing. That's how Kuku stay there.
You just Kuku stay there. But you supposed to do something.
What I want to do?
Still on the matter, I tell you, most Nigerians don't know. I tell you. My brother, how far are you there?
I'm really fine.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I was Wazobia TV.
Yeah, welcome.
All right, how far now? You sleep well this morning, Abi?
Yeah.
All right. When you sleep, if you sleep now, you come mistakenly dream. For the sleep, you come your day. You don't talk about one tree. Snake day up, lion day for down.
Yeah.
If you won't go down from the tree, lion
go down.
If you won't go up, snake day. What you go do?
The best thing I will stay off and die there.
You just stay for that place, die.
Die. Okay. Let the snake bite me and kill me.
Instead of lion.
Yeah, instead of lion.
All right, if now you, what you go do?
Well, I don't know what to do because these things, they are dangerous. Yeah. They are dangerous. It's better for me to hang myself off there.
You just stay there.
Yeah.
Your appointment for there.
I can't put there. I can find on our way out.
You go to, what to be the way out?
I have to kill the snake there. Yeah.
I tell you, I say, many people never get the check. And I go see any answer today. Even my cameraman self don't understand. You wake up well this morning, Abi?
Well, thank God I wake up very well.
When you sleep, if you dream, you can't see for the sleep. You dey for there, you can't see snake on top of the tree when you dey. You see lion for ground. If you go down, lion go bite you. If you go up, snake go bite you. What you go do?
I go Kukuma day where I dey now.
Kukuma day where you dey?
Now.
You just did there?
For sure now. Since up, way no day, down, way no day, I Kukuma stay where I dey secured now.
Nobody don't give me better answer now. Nobody don't give me better answer. But they never know the real answer. Mama, good afternoon. Now Wazobia TV.
Waiting, what?
Wazobia TV, your number one station.
What
Mama,
do you want?
How is everything now?
Fine,
thank
you.
Make I carry one load so that load not too heavy. So I'm going to answer my question.
The TV are going to come out.
No. You know, come out for TV now. For answer, you won't come out now. All right,
I will give you the answer.
I will give you the answer.
Now.
No. Me, I not play while you are not give any answer to. All right, Mama, I see what you did there. You will sleep well this morning, Abi?
Yes.
By the grace of God. Yes. We give God all the glory. See what you did there. What of us you sleep? You can't dream. For the dream, you can't be on top of a tree. On top of that tree, you see snake on top of the tree. There is, you look down, you won't corner, you can't see lion. What you go do?
I'll stay for the tree.
You go stay for the tree. This question is a very intelligent question. What you go do?
Snake day for the tree.
Tree up. Then you day for lion, day for down. And you won't come down lion day. What you go do?
I'm looking for the tree. I go pray God.
Father, Lekebo, Kabasha. All right, thank you, Mama. God bless you.
Amen.
Have a nice day, ma. All right, you're still on the matter. You're straight hands. I tell you, so many people they don't know what they go do for the tree, no. But make a run enter road now. Whether I go see person, intelligent person will go give me the answer. Madam, good afternoon. All right. Madam, come. Camera the bad person. Camera not the bad person now. Mama, make us you be sleep well this morning.
I sleep well.
As you wake up,
Glory be to God.
As you dey for dream, you dey for dream, then you can't sleep. You can't stand for dream, you dey for tree. Then one snake dey up, then one lion dey down. You want run go down, lion dey. You want go up, snake dey. What you go do?
I will call Jesus, blood of Jesus.
What you want to do that?
I'll stay in one place now.
You stay one place. Yeah, come blood of Jesus, stay one place. What you go do?
I know your question very well.
If you dey dream now, you dey for sleep, for your dream. Since you dey on top of tree, top of that tree, snake dey there, lion dey for down. If you want go down, you go see lion. If you want go up, snake dey. What you go do?
I'll go up.
You go up to meet the snake.
Because I know I fit kill snake, but I don't fit kill lion.
Ah, no, big python dey up. Oh.
I go run for I feel run for python now, but I no fit run for the lion. You go catch me, you go chop me wrong. You know if you open mouth immediately. Nah lie.
My guy, if now you what you go do?
How far now?
Are they fine?
You get cap. Helmet.
Father Lord. Now let this woman go give me the answer I want today. And because of this, you must give me a very intelligent question I want to answer. So, as today now, madam, this one is Wazobia TV.
Okay.
If you dey sleep for tree, and you dey on top of tree.
On top of tree.
Tree.
Okay.
Snake dey up. Lion dey for down.
Lion dey for down. Okay.
And you want run go down. Lion go bite you. Go up, the python will bite you. What you go do?
The python dey up. Lion dey down. At the center, dey for tree. This is your question, no?
Madam.
What will I do? I will remain there and pray now.
No. But by this point, I need to give them the answer. But then they just wake up from the dream. Wake up. All right, still on the matter, straight answer. How far now? How you did? How is baby? Is he kicking?
Yeah.
He kicked this morning, Abi?
Yes.
They like kick well. Now boy, Abi?
Yeah, now boy.
Now boy.
Yeah, three boys.
Three boys. Let's have a kick.
Yeah.
How far now? How you did? When you dey, may I ask you one question? If you dey dream, if you dey dream, you dey sleep now, you dey dream. Now you just see for the dream, you dey on top of a tree. For the tree, you see snake on top of the tree. You see lion for down. Yeah. As you dey come down, lion on the mirror. Snake dey up, they do you. What you go do?
I go just pray to God, though. Save me.
Save you.
Yeah.
All right, they never see get this code. Nobody get this code. Mama, good afternoon. Mama, good afternoon. Mama, good afternoon. Mama, good afternoon. All right, still Wazobia TV. Madam, may I ask you one question? You hear me?
I do.
You wake up well this morning, Jesus' name.
Amen. Yes, sir.
What was as you dream? Because you say you on top of the tree. As you dey on top of the tree, one snake dey for up, one lion dey for down. You want run come down, lion go hold you. You go up, python go do you. What you go do?
I don't know. I go pray. May God help me.
May God help you.
Make him
Father Lord, nobody don't give me this intelligence answer since. Jesus Christ. I better give Mama yellow pepper. Give her yellow pepper. Oh, how much they sell her? How much? 450. 450.
No, I have 450.
450. That be last. Oh yeah, bring paper, man, give her. Fast, fast. You want buy them?
Madam, put on one
now. Put jara now. This yellow pepper. One, man, select good one for you. Two. Not be saving myself for that. Okay, see I'm now. Oh yeah, don't put her now. You're not good like this. I don't five. Mama.
Oh, you never video.
Take.
I change. I got a change.
You need change. No, we don't need change now. But we need change. We need just. All right, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. How was your day?
We thank God.
We give God all the glory. Father, label, second label.
You are not a pastor.
Yeah. Madam, I see what you did there. If you did sleep for dream, and you can't do for dream, you can't do on top of tree. On top of that tree, you see snake on top, your head, python. They can't see lion for ground. You want to go down, lion the whole giddy giddy. You want to go up, snake the whole giddy giddy. What you go do?
Snake up, lion down. Yeah. I go stay holding the snake for neck now because lion I no go fit control the lion. But if na snake, me and him go dey there. I go hold am.
As you don't point, don't make like this.
Ew. Chineke, that one the answer no. It hard.
All right, see you later. Mother, I will see them. The question, the answer is I like to give you them the answer. The answer is a very intelligent question. Yeah. At first, I tell you, say na sleep, you sleep, so you go wake up from the dream.
I don't remember.
Madam, I don't get you, Abi. All right, madam, give her 50 now, and I know give her change again. Madam, where you go? Come now, come on. It's Wazobia TV. Seems I know this face.
We don't know this face.
Okay, thank God, I have known this face today. Father Lord, receive the anointing.
Please excuse me.
We are excusing ourselves.
Please, this are not easy. Leave me alone.
This are not easy. This will be easy in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Receive the anointing of dizziness.
Amen.
Take the anointing. Take it.
Okay.
All right, now I just ask one simple question.
What's that?
Stay for dream, they sleep. For dream now. They sleep. Then you can see the day on top of tree. On top of that tree, snake day for up, big python. They want the battle with you. Then Holy Ghost fire first. Nigeria, and I do believe some kind of things. Then you can't look down, lie on the ground. You don't go down, lie on the do your snake. They do. What you go do?
I go to pray now.
They pray.
I go stay for that tree. They pray now. God, Holy Ghost fire must scatter them. Before they come down. Now.
For your mind and from village, they bring a.
Wherever.
All right, so one buy fish, Abi. Yeah, I'm on the price and fish. One price and fish. Then me, you know what I go pay for the fish?
Yeah, if you want pepper now.
Your mood don't change. That's happy. Ladies. Alright, which one you want buy? This one, Titus. How much for the Titus? How much last?
I don't tell her say make she collect 150. She no gree collect.
You not gree 150. Collect 150 now. So what's in your mind?
I 150 I won't pay.
You won't pay 150. You just say that 150 you won't pay. So if I had 50 now, I join now, you know bad.
No bad now, we be Nigerian.
Oh yeah, collect her. Hey, you get luck. I just get the 50 naira.
That's so man.
All right, you're still on the Wazobia TV. My sister, if you sleep now for dream, and just they sleep, small time now you dream say you dey on top of tree. On top of that tree, you see snake, big bite on top of this tree, and you can't see lion for ground. What you go do?
I don't know what I go do. Now God's grace go help me. I don't even know what I go do.
I don't know what you go do.
What I for do now?
Back there, most of them don't know what they go do. I don't ask this question true. I don't know. The main truth be say yes. When you sleep, earlier I tell you say you sleep. At the end of the day, what you go do? If you see that country, just jump, wake up for your dream, and you see the next day. All right, still on the matter straight on the Wazobia TV. Now, like this, today they wrap up this program, this segment today. And my name remains MC Shaggy. Make you not stop to the watch Wazobia TV. Channel 1. I pledge peace in this country, peace everywhere, peace in this market, environment, peace everywhere, peace Peace everywhere. Everywhere. Let there be peace. Yeah, man. Let there be peace.